Number two, Your Honor, a pre-trial is or signifies the commence of the proceedings. And we have serious issues with my learned senior, Mr. Olekina, representing the accused persons in this matter. You know, I may be wrong, but my own view is that we ought to get directions on our application first, because it's an application for recusal, which is akin to a charge that has been posed to a judicial officer, so that then we are able to understand whether my learned senior, Mr. Olekina, is capable of receiving the document that is now seeking, or the documents might be landing on the wrong hands. As we await the 10 minutes break sought by the prosecution, we'll seek directions on our application. What goes first, our application or pre-trial? I am most humble.
Certifies the notice of motion dated 9 May 2024 and 8 May 2024 respectively as urgent. Both respondents, that is the ODC and Mr. Olekina, to file their respective replies within 3 days from today, and thus, corresponding this, given to the applicant in the notice of motion dated 9 May 2024 to file a supplementary affidavit to guilty and serve the same within 3 days from the date of such service. The notice of motion dated